Hello, and welcome to Lingo Dodo. We offer our Punjabi Pad that allows you to not only share your culture with your kids and grandkids, but also teach them how to speak Punjabi. One of our Punjabi Pad's exciting features is the music function. Today, we are going to show you how to get the most of this feature. First, turn on your Punjabi Pad like this.
आओ पंजाबी सीखिए।
Next, press the music button to put the pad in the music mode. Now that you have your pad in the music mode, you can choose what you wish to learn. Want to learn a nursery rhyme in Punjabi? Press the Ura button. Ready to learn alphabets or counting in Punjabi? Or ready to take a quiz? Simply press the round buttons in the top row. When you're done learning, press the same orange button at the bottom of your pad. We hope you enjoyed learning more about how to use your Punjabi Pad. Be sure to check out our YouTube channel to learn more about Lingo Dodo products. Order your Punjabi Pad today and give your child the gift of Punjabi language and culture.